Hey Tubers, it's American Samurai again. Welcome back to part 3 of the Samurai Special Unboxing. We just got a package from Cryptic Cowboy, so let's open it up and see what's inside. You are too much, Cryptic Cowboy. You are really too much, and I really appreciate it. So I got a hat too. I'll give this mask to Jeremy. Oh, some Legends of Wrestling cards. Let's see. Bobby Fish, The Enforcer, Tyler Black, Bill White, Harley Race, Penny Banner, Roddy Piper, and King Kong Bundy. I'll go ahead and show you guys the cards here. Definitely appreciate these, Cryptic. I know, you know, Roddy Piper is one of my favorites, so that's not a big hit. I guess at some point I'm just going to have to bring back the IWS. Maybe I'll even bring in the maybe Piper will special host the Gauntlet at some point too. Got some more ketchup and pickle chips. Some more sweets. Yeah. Thanks, Cryptic. Really appreciate all the great stuff you're giving us. Yeah, you already saw Jeremy with the mask, so I'll go ahead and give him this one. Maybe Jeremy and I can go to different versions of Jason Voorhees for Halloween this year. Well, anyways. Well, once again, thanks, Cryptic. This has been part 3. Great stuff. I love the new hat. Jeremy loves the Iceman hat. He's already shown it off, got some compliments on it. So yeah. Till next time, this is the American Samurai. Stay safe, stay sane, and thank you once again, Cryptic Cowboy. Really appreciate everything. And look for a video in the near future, probably both a What's Jeremy Trying and a Samurai Eats on ketchup potato chips. Until next time, we're going back to the future.